This video will provide step-by-step instructions on how to export tech files or technology files with the Constraint Manager in OrCAD X. Creating the stackup and constraint sets every time you create a board can be time-consuming, especially for a large board with stricter high-speed rules. With OrCAD X, you can create and import tech files between designs to quickly and easily reuse constraint sets and stackup properties between designs, streamlining the PCB layout process. Let's start by exporting the layer stackup. This method can be used if you want to reuse the layer stackup of the design but no other design information such as constraints or properties. To verify the layer stackup, select Tools, Cross-Section from the menu. The cross-section editor opens to show a tabular representation of the board stackup. View the stackup info at the bottom of the window. This design has a total of 12 layers, 6 conductor and 6 plane. To export the stackup technology file, select Export Cross-Section Technology File from the menu. Browse to the working directory. Enter a name for the technology file and click Save to generate the file. Click OK to close the cross-section editor window. Open File Explorer and browse to the working directory. A new file with the name defined earlier has been created. To test the technology file, let's create a blank board file and import it. Select File, New, Board from the menu. If prompted to save the changes made to the provided board, click No. In the blank PCB Design canvas, select Tools, Cross-Section from the menu. The cross-section editor window opens. To import the technology file, select Import Cross-Section Technology File from the menu. A prompt appears saying that the import operation cannot be undone. Click Yes to proceed. The import window opens. Select the file saved earlier. Under Import mode, select Overwrite to update all information. Click Open to load the file. A difference report summary opens, showing what was changed. View and close the report. View the board stackup and info. The new board has the same 12 layers as the original, saving you time configuring the layers and stackup information for the PCB layout. Close the cross-section editor. Design-specific technology files can also be exported to include additional design information such as properties, constraints, user property definitions, and more. These technology files are ideal for scenarios in which the constraints are influenced by the layer stackup. Design-specific technology files should be used when both the design stackup and constraints required match exactly between two designs. Select File, Open from the menu to reopen the provided board. When prompted to save the new board, click No. Select the provided board file and click Open. The original board file reopens. Design-specific technology files with constraints and properties are exported from the Constraint Manager. To activate the Constraint Manager, select Electrical Analysis Constraint Manager from the menu. The Constraint Manager window opens, showing the available constraint domains and worksheets. To create the tech file, select File, Export Technology File from the Constraint Manager menu. The Export Technology File window opens. Here you can define what properties and constraints to export, how to export the cross-section, and where to save the tech file. Enter a name for the file in the File Name field. Select Design Specific under Export Cross-Section to export a file with the stackup. Check the options to export electrical constraints, physical and spacing constraints, properties, and manufacturing constraints. This will export these constraints into the technology file. Click Save to save the technology file. Close the Constraint Manager. Design-specific technology files with constraints are imported through the Constraint Manager as well. Let's test this with another blank board. Select File, New, Board from the menu. If prompted to save the changes made to the provided board, click No. Select Electrical Analysis Constraint Manager from the menu to activate the Constraint Manager. To import the tech file, select File, Import Technology File from the menu. The Import a Technology File window opens. Here you can specify the file and how to import the constraints. Browse to and select the saved technology file. Choose Overwrite from the Input Mode list to clear the existing constraints. Select Merge to add new constraint sets from the tech file without removing the existing sets. Select Replace to only replace objects that exist in the tech file. Click Open to import and open the file. A Technology Difference Report file opens, showing the new layers and constraints added. View and close the report. The imported constraints can be viewed in the Constraint Manager. We'll look at physical constraints since the original design had multiple sets. Select the physical domain in the Physical Constraint Set All Layers worksheet. The constraints from the provided design have been imported. Close the Constraint Manager. To view the imported cross-section, select Tools Cross-Section Editor from the menu. The Cross-Section Editor window opens to show the 12 layers from the provided board imported successfully. Close the Cross-Section Editor. Now let's create a generic tech file. Generic tech files should be used when greater control is needed over the export, such as reusing individual constraints that are not layer-specific. Select File, Open from the menu to reopen the provided board. Select the provided board file and click Open. When prompted to save the new board, click No. The original board file reopens. Since generic technology files are constraint-based, they are exported from the Constraint Manager. Select Electrical Analysis Constraint Manager from the menu. Select File, Export Technology File from the Constraint Manager menu. The Export Technology File window opens. Enter a name for the file in the File Name field. Select Generic under Export Cross-Section to export a generic file with no cross-section information. Check the options to export electrical constraints, physical and spacing constraints, properties, and manufacturing constraints. Click Save to save the tech file. Close the Constraint Manager. Let's test the file with another blank board. Select File, New, Board from the menu. If prompted to save the changes made to the provided board, click No. Select Electrical Analysis Constraint Manager from the menu to activate the Constraint Manager. Select File, Import Technology File from the Constraint Manager menu. Select Overwrite to clear the existing constraint sets and replace them with those from the tech file. Click Open to import the file. The window closes automatically. A Technology Difference Report window opens, showing a log of the imported constraint sets. View and close the report. View the Physical Constraint Set All Layers worksheet in the Constraint Manager. All constraints from the original design have been imported successfully. Quickly and easily export tech files to reuse known good stackups, constraint sets, and other design IP in future designs and save time configuring your PCB layout with OrCAD X. For more tutorials, visit us at resources.ema-eda.com and don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.